What's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see something called JList. What does it do is, let's say we are going to change our background color into something, and we have some options like 4 different colors. If I select one of the color, the background will change according to that. Now let's see how to do that, how to create that. First of all, make sure you import this one, import Java, all these 4 things. Okay, import this one, and I just minimize this one. And let's go to the class and type something. Here I'm going to create some private variables. Private JList list semicolon, and then private static string, and then box this square bracket color names. Here I'm gonna put 4 different colors for the background. Those are, let's say, black, and then comma, everything in the quote mark, and then blue, and the next one is red, and the next one is white, and curly bracket finish, and then semicolon. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to type it in a way that program can read it. In Java program, if you want to call a color, this is the way. Okay, let's go and see how it is. Static color square bracket, and then colors, that's equal to, in the curly bracket. Now this is the way, color, capital COLOR, dot, and then color name should be all caps lock, black. Then for whatever the color we want, you have to do the same thing. Like that's for blue, color blue, dot blue. And then for the red, same thing, color dot red. And then for white, same thing, color dot white. Okay, now we are done with the colors. Now let's go to let's create the method for graphical user interface. Public GUI, and inside of this one I'm going to put the title for the pop-up screen, that is super, and then I give the name title. And here we set the layout, that is new flow layout. Okay, now that's it for this one. Then we put the list is equal to new JList color names, and then list dot set visible row count 4, and the next thing is list dot set selection mode, list selection model, list selection model dot single selection, and then the last thing is add new J scroll pane, scroll pane. Okay, and then bracket list. That's it. Now I'm going to continue this one in my next video, and we are going to complete the JList program. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. See you guys on my next video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.